Exercise 9.2 fourth problem. Okay, exercise 9.2 fourth problem. Okay, fourth problem, diagram given. Okay, this is your diagram, question diagram. Okay, so in this and this point taken as O or not? Let's see in your textbooks. Okay, this point is taken as O. Okay, use this point as given. This is the point. Okay, so you take this point as O, centre point. O is the center here. Okay, the next one here, triangle. Okay, ABC having, which is inspired by circle. Okay, O is the center of this circle. Then while using this one here, we have to find out two more sides. One side I have. Okay, that side is BC. BC, B2D and D2C having two parts. Okay, B2D value is 9 centimeters, then D2C value is 3 centimeters. Add these two values, 9 plus 3, how much? 12. So I have the value of BC, that is 12 centimeters. More two sides I didn't have. More two sides. What are those two sides? AC and AB. These two sides I didn't have. Now I have to find out these two sides, AC and AB. Okay. In tangents and secants, one theorem having 9.2. Theorem number is what? 9.2. That theorem is what? Tangents are drawn from the exterior points to a circle are same. Okay, according to theorem 9.2. Page number, new textbooks. Page number 235. Okay, theorem number 9.2. The lengths of the tangents drawn. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are equal. The lengths of the tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle are same. Okay, remember this theorem number 9.2. Remember this. So here I have to use that theorem. Okay, now let's listen here. Yeah, listen now. Here see, I am dropping two more lines. Okay, here I am dropping two more lines. What are those two lines? Let's see. Okay, now continue this line here from A to totally up to O. Okay, A to O, like this. Drop the line. Okay, just up to O having. So I take a full line AD, median. Then afterwards, okay, from here this point to C, take one more line. Okay, then from B to here, draw one more line. Okay, here in this 3 median, this point is the intersecting point, named it as O. Wherever you can use a O. Okay, now in the given figure, let's take solution now. In the given figure, BD value is given here. BD is equals to what having? 9 centimeters and DC is equals to 3 centimeters. Okay, then here from B, take this point as A, B, C, D. Then take this point as E and take this point as, otherwise okay, AB having that. Okay, anyhow, E, F. Okay, wherever you can take that. Right? I taken 3 more points, D, E, F. Okay, the next one. Now, according to theorem 9.2, now only I said according to theorem 9.2, what I said? Theorem number 9.2. What I said here? Theorem number 9.2. The lengths of the tangents. The lengths of the tangents are drawn from an external point. From an external point to a circle are same or equal. Okay, the lengths of the tangents. What are the tangents here? BC is the tangent, AC is the tangent, AB is the tangent because these lengths of the lines are touching the circle in only one point. Okay, so these are the tangents. Okay, these are all touching at only one point. Okay, so according to theorem 9.2, lengths of the tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Means that is, so let's see. Here DC is equals to CF. Remember this point. DC is equals to CF. The next one, AF is equals to AE. AF is equals to AE, and one more point, BE is equals to BD. Okay, DC is equals to CF, FA is equals to AE, BE is equals to BD. Okay, lengths of the tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this DC is equals to CF and FA is equals to AE and EB is equals to BD. Remember these points. Okay, this is the important theorem, so remember carefully this one. Then next, let's see now. I have the values here. BC value is 9 centimeters. So BC, we are having BC. I taken wrong. B is equal to BD over. Achha, BC. BD. Sorry, yeah, BD. BD is equal to how much? This one. So BD is equal to how much here? This one. 9 centimeters. So this BD is also equals to BE. That means 9 centimeter this value. Then next one more value what having? DC. Where is DC? Here having DC. Okay, DC is equal to CF. DC is equals to CF. Okay, DC value is how much here? 3 centimeter. That means CF is also equal to 3 centimeters. Then AF is equals to AE. Okay, AF is equal to AE. This value I didn't have. So let's take this value AF as X. Take this value as X centimeters. So AF is equals to AE. That means this is X centimeters. Understand? So I use these values. So let's use now according to Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem. Formula is hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square or adjacent square plus opposite square. Then hypotenuse side. So take this as a right angle triangle. C is a right angle. Then hypotenuse what having here? AB whole square is equals to adjacent. Adjacent is how much here? BC whole square plus opposite. This taken as theta. Okay, opposite is what having? AC whole square. Up to here any doubts? Understand? So take this as the perpendicular line, that will be angle will be equal to 90 degrees. The next, add the values here. In this AB having two parts. AB, we are having here AB. How many parts having in this? AE plus EB whole square is equals to BC. BC also having how many parts? Two parts. This BC is divided into two parts. First part is what? BD. Second part is DC. And square right as it is plus. AC. AC also having two parts. First part is what having? AF plus second part is what? FC whole square. Understand? Just I means AB it is divided into two parts. I taken that one. Then BC is also having two parts. I taken. Then AC is also having two parts. I taken. Then after, let's substitute the values now. Substitute here. AE value is how much? This one X. So X plus EB. How much are this one? 9 centimeters. X plus 9 whole square is equals to BD. BD value is how much? 9 plus DC. how much? 3. 9 plus 3 whole square plus AF. AF value is how much? X plus FC. FC how much this is? 3 centimeters. Take 3 whole square. Up to here, any doubts? Sure. The next one. Now this is in the form of one having variable, one more is constant term. So this is in the form of what? Which formula? A plus B whole square. So formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB, or A square plus 2AB plus B square. The next step. A value is X and B value is 9. Okay, now expand. A square means X square plus B square. 9 square plus 2. A value is X, B value is 9. Okay, equals to 9 plus 3 how much here? 12 square plus same formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Up to here. Any doubts now? Just like taken in the form of A plus B whole square expanded. That's all here. The next step. X square as it is, right? Take 9 how many times? 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81 plus 2 nines are 18x equals to 12. Take 2 times. 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144 plus x square plus take 3 2 times. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6. X as it is. The next step. Take all LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. It's your wish. Okay, take LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So keep all this here only LHS. X square plus 81 plus 18x. The next step. Plus 144 changes as minus 144. Plus x square will changes as minus x square. Plus 9 changes as minus 9. Plus 6x as minus 6x equals to right hand side 0. Any doubts? Any mistake? Yeah, plus 6 having, so plus 6 will changes as minus 6. Any more doubts? The next step. This is plus x square and here having minus x square. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Then here having plus 18x and here having minus 6x. Both are like terms. Okay, plus 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 remaining is how much? 12x. So sign is plus or minus? Plus, because larger number is 18, sign is plus. Larger number sign keep. The next step, all constant terms only having here. First one is 81, this is plus and both are in minus. So first add these two numbers. Okay, negative numbers are having both met. So first add these two numbers. Plus 81 keep as it is otherwise. Then minus 144 minus 9, both are negative numbers. So add the numbers. Minus 144 minus 9 means minus 10 add. Minus 154 subtract 1 minus 153. Minus 153. 153 equals to 0. Okay, the next step plus 12x. Now one is in subtraction, one is in addition. Okay, addition and subtraction means subtract the numbers. Okay, subtract 153 minus 81. Let's see here. 153, 81. 3 minus 1, 2. 15 minus 8, 7. So answer is 72. Then in this both, which is the bigger number? 153. Sign what having? Minus. Equals to 0. Then next step, 12x is equals to minus 70 changes as plus 72. Now 12 is multiplying, transpose to right side becomes dividing. 72 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are. I got the value of x equal to how much? 6 centimeters. Now I have to find more two sides. Two sides I have to find there. So let's see. I am finding two more sides. Those are, first side is what having? AC. First side is what? AC. With this AC having two parts. AF plus FC. AF plus FC. Okay. AF value is how much? X. X value I got here only. X value is how much? 6. So AF is X and FC is 3. X value is 6. 6 plus 3 how much here? 9 centimeter. Finished first answer. Then second part is what having AB. Second part is AB. In this also having two parts, AE plus EB. AE plus EB. Let's substitute the values. AE value is how much? X. And EB value is 9. X plus 9. I know the value of X. X value is how much having? 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15 centimeters. Any doubts? Any doubts? No one having? So I got the answer. 9 centimeters and 15 centimeters are the required sides. Okay? 9 centimeters and 15 centimeters are the required side. Last step, write an answer. Okay? If you have any doubts, means clarify your doubts. See one step full problem.